My name is René Sand. I'm an MR physicist at the 7 Tesla National Facility in Lund, Sweden. My role is primarily co-leading the work package 1. To perform the clinical trials, we need non-commercially available equipment, and it is important to harmonize the technology on all participating sites.
My name is Johan van der Brink. I'm a principal scientist and architect at Philips. In ILLUMINATE, Philips develops the technology necessary to ensure high sensitivity assessment of biomarkers for metabolic imaging.
Metabolic MRI is unique in itself if you compare to other techniques. You have for metabolic imaging, it's PET-CT, which is the main oncology imaging technology used for, and it's pretty superior to most what we can do in MR. Still, there are some areas where PET-CT is not working optimally, and it's that area which we target with metabolic imaging. And what we will do is that instead of using anatomical images with the MR, we will look at metabolites and we try to identify key components that will change in disease or in cancer treatment.
The technology is tested at 7 Tesla machines, which are the most powerful MRI systems currently available in clinics, but there are only a few of them. So for wide availability of the technology, we need to translate the findings from ILLUMINATE to mainstream MRI usage, which is either so-called 3 Tesla machines or 1.5 Tesla machines. The idea still is that there is sufficient clinical evidence, scientific evidence from the project that then supports regulatory approvals towards the broad base of MRI scanners in hospitals throughout Europe. All of the metabolic imaging capabilities that we deliver will come together and ensure that every patient gets access to truly personalized care. And it's important to assess early treatment response so that the patient isn't being exposed to treatments that don't work, but there is lots of side effects.
So metabolic MR imaging will help healthcare professionals to change their treatment, hopefully in an early stage, by metabolic MRI will identify markers that indicate that the treatment is not working very well and might offer patients other opportunities for treatment. My hope for this project that it will help the patients in the near future these are all baby steps. There are no miracle solutions, I think, in science. That's my personal belief. I think that if we can identify 1 or 2 patients in this clinical observational study where we can change the way of treatment based on this metabolic imaging, I think we made a big step. And as I said, these are baby steps to take in general help of cancer patients.